Hi, my name is Rachel Callahan. I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Network Realty. Thank you so much for tuning in to this virtual open house tour of 1524 Kingswood Road. This home is listed at $375,000, has 1,860 square feet, and contains 3 large bedrooms and 2 updated bathrooms. It was built in 1938, was renovated and updated in 2008, and is located in the beautiful Jacksonville area of San Marco. The yard is well landscaped and even includes a lemon tree in the front yard. And the red front door draws the eye to the home with a fun and welcoming pop of color. The front door leads directly into a wide and open living room area. The living room has a decorative fireplace, built-in shelving, and lots of space for entertaining. The living room is led into the next space by a pair of French doors. This room can be used as a sunroom, an office, or whatever your imagination allows. It also has built-in bookshelves on either side of the French doors and windows along the walls to brighten up the space. On the other side of the living room is the dining room, which also has an access to the kitchen. This dining room is a great size for hosting guests and formal dinners with plenty of space. Next we have our kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops and again can be accessed from the dining room as well as the hallway. Through the hallway, we have our 3 bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms feature hardwood flooring. Bedroom number 1 has a closet with built-in shelving. The second bedroom also has hardwood flooring and a closet, and additional built-in storage. This first bathroom features a walk-in shower and is located in the hallway, which is easily accessible from the living room, the kitchen, and the bedrooms of the home. In the hallway between 2 of the bedrooms is a linen closet made with storage in mind. It has built-in shelves as well as 4 drawers to maximize your storage space. The third bedroom of the home also has hardwood flooring, a closet, and this bedroom features an ensuite bathroom. The connected full bath features 2 vanities and a water closet. The The laundry room can be accessed from the kitchen, is ready for a washer and dryer, and has a door leading right to the yard. This property has an extended driveway that leads past the home all the way to the detached 2-car garage, perfect for parking, extra storage, or even as a spacious workshop. The backyard is magnificently shaded by the surrounding trees, perfect for outdoor living and activities. Thank you for tuning in to this virtual open house of 1524 Kingswood Road. Again, I'm Rachel Callahan with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Network Realty, and it has been my pleasure showing you around this great home. Have a wonderful day.